Transitioning from duality to oneness is a profound journey of awakening. In the realm of duality, we perceive the world in opposites, good and evil, light and dark, love and fear. This split consciousness creates conflict and division, both within ourselves and in our interactions with others. We often define our identities through contrasting labels, which can lead to a sense of isolation. Moving toward oneness invites us to transcend these separations. It begins with self-awareness, recognizing the illusions of duality that cloud our perception. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help quiet the mind, allowing us to connect with a deeper sense of self beyond labels. When we embrace the interconnectedness of all life, we begin to see that every experience, every challenge, contributes to our collective growth. As we cultivate compassion and empathy, the walls of separation dissolve. We start to understand that others' struggles mirror our own. This realization fosters a sense of unity, prompting us to act with greater kindness and understanding. Ultimately, the journey from duality to oneness is about realizing our shared essence. It's about recognizing that beneath the surface differences lies a universal spirit, one that binds us all in a tapestry of existence. As we walk this path, we transform not only ourselves but also the world around us, creating a harmonious reality where love prevails over fear. To manifest effectively, we must align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of what we wish to create. By embracing oneness, we tap into the universal flow, allowing our intentions to resonate with the collective consciousness. This resonance amplifies our desires, making them more likely to materialize. Practicing mindfulness and gratitude helps us cultivate a sense of oneness. By being present and appreciative of what we already have, we create a positive energy that attracts more abundance. Visualization techniques can further enhance this process. When we envision our goals as already achieved, while feeling the emotions associated with them, we send a powerful signal to the universe. Additionally, understanding that our thoughts influence reality encourages us to maintain a positive mindset. The more we focus on love, connection, and harmony, the more we align with the vibrations needed for our manifestations to come to fruition. In essence, embracing oneness not only fosters personal growth, but also serves as a guiding principle for manifesting our dreams, connecting us to the infinite possibilities of the universe. Understanding that our thoughts influence reality encourages us to maintain a positive mindset. The more we focus on love, connection, and harmony, the more we align with the vibrations needed for our manifestations to come to fruition. It is this conscious choice to embrace positivity that transforms our inner landscape, allowing us to attract the experiences we desire. By cultivating a mindset anchored in abundance rather than scarcity, we become conduits for the energy that fuels our dreams. Each loving thought and each act of kindness sends ripples through the universe, enhancing our connection to all that is. Embracing oneness not only fosters personal growth, but also serves as a guiding principle for manifesting our dreams. When we recognize our interconnectedness, we tap into the infinite possibilities available to us. We learn that our individual journeys are woven into a larger tapestry, one where our intentions shape our reality. As we nurture our spirits with positivity, we become active participants in the unfolding of our destinies, bringing forth the life we envision. In this dance of co-creation, each step taken with love and purpose brings us closer to the fulfillment of our aspirations, illustrating the profound power of our thoughts and the beautiful truth that we are not alone in our quests. Each encounter, each shared moment, becomes a thread that enriches our collective experience. When we extend kindness and compassion, We amplify the vibrations of hope and change, creating ripples that reach far beyond our immediate surroundings. As we cultivate awareness of our shared humanity, we unlock doors previously concealed by division and fear. Each act of generosity, however small, ignites a spark that can light the darkest corners of existence. In this vibrant ecosystem of energy and intention, we find strength and unity, where our dreams merge, evolving into a collective vision that transcends the limitations of the self. Our challenges become stepping stones, guiding us toward greater understanding and empathy. We realize that every setback carries a lesson, and every triumph is a shared victory. In embracing this interconnected dance, we find joy in collaboration, innovation in diversity, and hope in resilience. This awareness of our interwoven destinies that empowers us to forge paths of meaning and purpose. Together, we can manifest a reality that reflects our highest ideals, nurturing a world that thrives on the abundance of love, creativity, and shared aspirations. In this luminous tapestry, we become the architects of a brighter future, united in our quest for fulfillment and joy. The law of oneness teaches that all life forms are interconnected expressions of a singular infinite consciousness. This profound principle suggests that beneath the diverse manifestations of existence, whether it be a towering tree, a soaring eagle, or a humble ant, lies a shared essence that binds them all together. No species exists in isolation. Each contributes to the intricate tapestry of life. The idea that one species can be superior to another is an illusion born from ego, creating false hierarchies and divisions. In truth, every being, regardless of its perceived complexity, plays a vital role in the ecosystem and the universal dance of existence. This understanding fosters compassion and empathy, urging us to recognize our kinship with all forms of life. It invites us to honor the interconnectedness that sustains our planet, reminding us that the well-being of one affects the whole. By embracing the law of oneness, we cultivate a deeper respect for the life around us, fostering unity over division and love over fear. Ultimately, recognizing our shared essence empowers us to live harmoniously with nature and each other, acknowledging that every voice matters in the symphony of existence. In this unity, we find strength, purpose, and the profound beauty of life itself. That every action we take resonates beyond ourselves. Each choice can either nurture or harm the delicate balance of our ecosystems. This awareness encourages us to tread lightly, to make decisions rooted in kindness and sustainability. When we see ourselves as part of a larger tapestry of life, we become more attuned to the needs of others, human and non-human alike. This connection inspires us to advocate for the voiceless, protect endangered habitats, and support communities striving for equity and justice. Through this lens, our individual struggles and triumphs are woven into the collective experience of existence, reinforcing the idea that we are stronger together. By embodying this principle, we shift our focus from competing for resources to collaborating for the common good. We cultivate resilience through shared knowledge, compassion, and support, recognizing that our strength lies in diversity and cooperation. Embracing the law of oneness reshapes our understanding of relationships and invites us to weave a tapestry of interconnectedness. When we recognize that every action reverberates through the fabric of existence, our choices become intentional acts of love and compassion. This profound awareness encourages us to approach one another with empathy, understanding that the pain of one is the pain of all, and the joy of one is a shared celebration. As stewards of our planet, this commitment to oneness inspires us to nurture the earth, ensuring its bounty for future generations. We become advocates for justice, equality, and sustainability, striving to create systems that honor every being's intrinsic value. By fostering a spirit of collaboration, we unlock the potential for collective healing, where diverse voices come together to address challenges that threaten our shared home. In this journey, we cultivate a sense of belonging that transcends boundaries, allowing us to envision a world where harmony reigns. By embodying the principles of love, understanding, and stewardship, we lay the groundwork for a sustainable legacy, ensuring that future generations inherit not only a thriving planet, but also a community rooted in unity and respect. Together, we can create a just world where the threads of our lives are beautifully intertwined, celebrating the essence of our shared existence. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope this video resonated with you and provided some valuable insights. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.